It looks like a radio, right? We're going to set that over here in my entryway. And we're gonna plug in this down there. May on and off siya dito. Mag-melt tayo ng candle. So, naka-plug in na siya. Lagyan natin ng ganito. Diba? Isn't that cute? Yes, it's on. Tagal-tagal pa yan mag-melt.